में शुरू करने से पहले वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में दिए गए बेल आइकन को दबाएं।
Allah is one, there is no one like Him. He has no partner, no child, no twin. He made the sun, the moon, the skies. He hears our hearts, He sees our cries. Only one, that's Allah. From the clouds down to the sea, He made you and He made me. He gives the rain, He grows the trees. He sent the birds and all the bees. He made the stars, the night and the day. He knows the words He never say. Little hearts and grown-up mind, all His mercy, all His sign. From a baby's love to mountains tall, Allah made and knows it all. Turn to Him and don't be afraid. Allah is near, so don't lose faith. Follow the walk in all His. Allah is one, remember and pray. And when it smiles, it's from Allah too. Only one, that's Allah. From clouds down to sea, He made you and He made me. For every flower, every sleigh, I whisper softly, that's you, Allah. I see His sign in every tree, in every bird He speaks to me. Allah is one, forever true, true. His light will always shine in you.